How do I connect TrackMan to my devices? If you are wondering how to connect your TrackMan launch monitor to your devices, you are in the right spot. Let's break down the steps you need to follow for a smooth connection. First, you can choose between a wired or wireless setup, depending on your preference. A wired connection is often more stable, while wireless offers flexibility. For a wired connection directly to your personal computer, simply connect an Ethernet cable from the TrackMan to your personal computer. This method ensures a reliable connection, perfect for consistent data transfer during practice or fitting sessions. If you prefer to connect through a router, start by connecting the TrackMan to a Wi-Fi router using an Ethernet cable. Then, connect another Ethernet cable from the router to your personal computer. This setup allows your personal computer and other devices connected to the router's Wi-Fi network to access the TrackMan, giving you more options for device connections. Now, if you want to go wireless, you will need to temporarily connect the TrackMan to your personal computer with an Ethernet cable first. Open a web browser and enter the TrackMan's Internet Protocol address to access its web interface. Navigate to Setup and then Wireless. Change the wireless mode to Wireless Client. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Once you apply the settings, wait for the TrackMan to connect to the network. After it connects, you can remove the Ethernet cable, and any device on the same Wi-Fi network can now access the TrackMan. For those using an iPad or iPhone, the process is a bit different. Start by turning on the TrackMan and positioning it properly behind the hitting area. On your iOS device, go to Settings and then Wi-Fi. Look for a network that starts with TM4 followed by the serial number. If there are two options, choose the one without the word fast for a stronger connection. Connect using the password, all in lowercase. You can ignore any no internet warnings and open the TrackMan app to start using the device. A few practical tips can help you maximize your use of the TrackMan. Make sure the unit is positioned correctly relative to the golfer and hitting area for accurate data capture. A wired Ethernet connection is best for indoor simulators, while wireless options are great for outdoor or mobile setups. If you plan to connect multiple devices, using a router-based setup can simplify access and allow for simultaneous connections. Lastly, remember to regularly check and update your TrackMan for firmware and software applications to keep everything running smoothly. By following these steps, you can easily connect the TrackMan to your devices, allowing for precise swing analysis, club fitting, and performance tracking.